Hi guys, I'm going to use the shampoo now on my hair. This is the before and after my hair looks like. I haven't dyed it now in a while, so I'm going to try and see does the shampoo work. So I'll post another video up after this one. This is a before. Voila. And then I'm going to do an after. Wish me luck, guys. Right, here we go, guys. I've done it. Now, put the colour in. I did the whole lot of my hair. Really nice. Now I'll show you the bottle. That's the bottle. Very good. I'm happy with it and pleased with it. Takes less time to do the way you have to make with other colours and that. You buy the ones in the shop and that. It takes longer, you have to mix and all that. With this you just can put it straight into your hair. I think it's very good. So I'm happy with the product. And I do recommend it. Right, thanks guys. Now, the light's a bit bright. That's the black. I usually put bluey black in my hair, but black now, I'm happy with that. It really did cover up all my greys, the few greys I had. Right, thanks guys. I recommend it.